a quick video on how to install your document software for your Inswan document camera. Log on to Google Chrome and open a new tab. In the search bar, type Inswan Downloads. Your first link will take you to a download applications and manual site for the Inswan document camera. Click on it and navigate down to Document Chromebook version and click Download. This will bring you to the Chrome Web Store, right to the document add-on. Click Add to Chrome and then Add App. It'll take care of downloading the software. The easiest way to use the software is to click on the launcher and then click on the arrow to enlarge the software and scroll down until you find the document application. Click on it, make sure your computer or your actual document camera is plugged in, and you will be all set.